Google is back with a bang, and recently Google has launched the Google Gemini 3, and with the Google Gemini 3 they also launched the Google Antigravity. AI is getting to the next level, and this is where we have been waiting for, especially if you are a coder, if you are a developer and you need AI to help you with what you are doing. AI is here to assist you, is here to assist me, and you must jump in right now. With this that Google has done is simply telling us that development is about to change to a new level. So it is time to jump right in and begin to follow what is going on with Google Antigravity. If you want to follow what is going on with Google Antigravity, this channel is the place to be. Just click the subscribe button and click the like button, drop your comments, and whatsoever thing you want to know, we are ready to give it to you. So welcome. The website of Google Antigravity is just antigravity.google, nothing else. And when you get there, you discover that the price is absolutely free. So Google folks VS Code and added so many things to it. So it's as if you have VS Code, then you have AI on top of VS Code. So it's going to be a very wonderful experience. If you have been using VS Code, it's going to look very familiar, but many things have been added. And also, if you have been a lone coder, once you get a hold of Google Antigravity, you no longer become a lone coder. You become a team, you plus other agents. You set up your agents that we do. And one good thing about this Google Antigravity is that agent can run in parallel. That is, you can configure 2 or 3 agents that are running in parallel, working for you, while you are also putting all the pieces together to make a software. If you want to download Google Antigravity, just go to antigravity.google, and on the first page, you will see download, and it's available in Windows, Linux, and Mac OS is available. So I'm using Windows, so I just click download for Windows. If you are using Mac OS, you can download for Mac OS. If you are using Linux, you can download for Linux. So once you click download, it will start downloading, and you can wait till the download is completed. But I've already done the download, so I will just pause the video and install from the download. All right, so this is the file here on my download folder. So for you to install, you just double click, then accept the agreement, then click on next, then choose where to install the application. So select whatsoever it is okay for you to select and click next, then click install. So it will just take some time for it to install. So you can pause. Let's pause the video and see after the installation. So when you launch Antigravity, you come to the workspace. You come to this first point, and from this first point you can either open an already created workspace, or you create a new workspace. What is a workspace? Workspace is just like a folder for a project, like every conversation you want to have. Whenever you are using ChatGPT, there is a conversation context. So every conversation you want to have, or every project you want to do, or whatsoever. So a workspace differentiates one conversation from another. For example, if I want to create a Python app, I will create a workspace for it so that it will house all my conversation. And if I want to create maybe possibly a Flutter app, I will also create a workspace. So you can also decide not to create a workspace. You can just use a single workspace for all your conversation, but it is better to create a workspace. So as I've said earlier, workspace is just like a folder where you can keep all your conversation. So I already have some workspace created, but just let me create a new one. So you just go to open folder, then click where you want to put your application, and just create a new folder. So my folder, I'm creating conversation 2 workspace. You can name it whatsoever you want to name it. So it will just be a new workspace for me. Now my workspace, so I need to trust the workspace that I just created, and it will start. All right, now I have the workspace. So one thing that you must know about Antigravity that made it different from VS Code is that Antigravity is in 2 modes. We have the editor mode and also the agent mode. From the editor mode, you can switch to the agent mode. From the agent mode, you can switch to the editor mode. How do I know which mode I am? So you look at the top right corner here, is saying open agent manager. Having this here simply means you are in the editor mode. You are in the editor mode is similar to what you have in VS, where you have your code files and you can edit your code files and all that. While the agent mode is where you orchestrate your agent, where you create your agent, you give tasks to the agent, monitor the conversation, see what the agent is doing, and you can monitor everything. So we are in editor mode currently. If you want to go to the agent mode, you either press Ctrl E or Command E on Mac, Ctrl E on Windows. So it will just open the agent mode where you can start your conversation. And if you are in the agent mode and you want to switch to the editor mode, look at the right hand corner here, open editor. You either click open editor here, or you press Ctrl E again to switch you back to the editor mode. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop your comment below, and if there is any video you want us to do, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.